Hi everyone, let me show you how you can drag and drop your bank statement into Bookkeeper so it's parsed and converted into double entry transactions, and you can reconcile your bank account like this. So I have a simple bank statement with a few bank entries, and I'm going to drag and drop this PDF file into my book, and it takes a moment. Then the Bookkeeper agent starts to parse all the information and record your transactions with all the details and the categorization in place. And if you post all these transactions, your bank account will be reconciled. If you like this new feature, give your thumbs up on the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.